Hi guys, welcome back to Mini Shorts. Today just taking a break from the boot because I've had enough of grinding that back edge over there, and well, I just wanted to do something else for now. I'm not sure on that back edge. We might be fitting a replacement panel which just does the very edge between the boot and the floor. Sort of the centre section between the hinges, but we'll see. Anyway, so going back to looking at my repairs to the door steps. This is the one I've already done with a Magnum piece, and as we can see up here, I've done my best, but the matching the profiles has not been particularly easy. The profile of the Magnum. This is a really old Magnum piece I had lying around. I had two. One was miles off. This one wasn't so bad. But still, you can see the depths of each step are not quite right. Hopefully you can see that. So I purchased some freshly stamped ones. Although this one was actually stamped in 2015, so it's been on the shelf a long time. And this one, which includes the corner here, is a 2019 one. But I went to start to use a piece of this, but if you look how little step there is on that final final step, you can see that the profile on these is not right either. So both of these replacement panels I've bought. So what I've decided to do is use the step that I cut out of here to make replacement patch pieces for the other side. We can actually see, if I can get this lined up for you, but you can actually see how different those profiles are there. So trying to weld them end on end like this wasn't going to work for me. So I'll just show you where these patches are going to go, and then I'll do some cutting out off camera. So basically we've got this one section here which is for the first patch, and then the end goes that way. So this piece at the end here, although a little bit will get cut away for where the A panel joins there, and the larger one which goes over there where there's been a repair before, but you can see it's all trapping the rust between the repair and the original panel. And anyway, the rest of it looks pretty good, so hopefully if I can get that in there, then we'll be making some progress. Right, I'll cut away, and then hopefully at the end I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks, bye.